On Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours and Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by Armand and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon? Okay, so Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours. That means every hour he is sending M text messages. So in 5 hours, how much did he send? 5 times M, right? And Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. So he is sending P text messages every hour. That means 4 hours he will be sending 4P, right? So that is 4P. So what is the total number of messages sent by Armand and Tyrone? That means you have to add this up. That is 5M plus 4P is the answer. Option C is the right answer. Thank you.